Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to add someone's story to your story on Instagram without mention. So let's start the process. First of all, open your Instagram app. After it open, find the story which you want to add on your Instagram. Like I will add the story from this person. So as you see, here is the story of this person. Simply take a screenshot like I am taking. After taking the screenshot, go back and upload your story by tapping on your story icon. So as you see, the screenshot of that story is here. Simply tap on this. So now if you want to add text in this story by your own, then tap on this text sign. Now simply tap on this next sign which is at the right bottom and then tap on the option share. And when you will tap on the done icon, then you will upload the same story without mention that guy. If you want to add the video, then simply download the video from the story of that person and re-upload that story in your Instagram. So by this way, you can add video and also the pic without mention that guy.